Okay, welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the PPF on the Tesla Emblem side of the trunk. It's going to be cut into 3 different parts, 1, 2, and 3. Part 1 is going to be in the description, so go ahead and check that out first. And part 3 should also be in there, so that should be the next video after this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Right, and before we start, make sure to clean your car. Once it's clean, we're gonna go ahead and add some slip solution on the surface of the car. That way we're able to just place the entire sheet on it without it falling. All right. Once we have the sheet on it, we're gonna go ahead and peel it and place it down. It doesn't matter where, just as long as it's on. Okay. Then we're just gonna slowly peel it. Okay, once you have it on the car, you're gonna go ahead and peel it and add some slip solution underneath. All right, now this part is gonna be similar to how we install the bumper or the hood. Remember, if there's anything on either of those panels, we start with the emblem. And that's what we're gonna do on this side. We're gonna start with the emblem. And once it's aligned, we're gonna go ahead and squeegee out the water. Now squeegee out the water. Remember to add Tacky Solution to it. All right, and pretty much after this, you're just gonna go ahead and stretch on each side. Make sure there's no fingers on either side. And if it gets stuck like this, just peel it and add some slip solution. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stretch until this side is to the corner of the tail light. All right, once we got it done, you're gonna go ahead and remove the water. Okay, once you have that done, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side and do the same thing. All right, now that we're done with that side, we're gonna go ahead and move on to this side. Again, same thing, we're gonna align it to the side of the tail light, and then we're just gonna squeegee out and align it to the bottom side of the trunk. All right, and once you have that side aligned, we're gonna go ahead and worry about this part. So you're gonna lift it just a bit and add some Tacky Solution. You wanna get all that soap out and make sure you don't spray yourself. All right, lastly, we're gonna worry about this part. So after you sprayed it with Tacky Solution, you're gonna spray your towel with Tacky Solution as well. And you're just trying to squeegee out all the water first before you go ahead and start using heat. Another thing you could do is you could wrap your squeegee around your towel and do it that way. Once you have most of the water out, You're gonna go ahead and grab your heat gun. And as you're adding heat, you're gonna go ahead and remove the water, the rest of the water, with your towel. All right, and that concludes the installation process for this side of the trunk. Just remember, when you're starting off, align the logo. That should make everything else easier. Once you have that aligned, you're gonna go ahead and go in either direction and just stretch, align the tail light and the body panel to the PPF. And then you're gonna move on to the other side, same thing. And then you're just gonna worry about this part last. And with that being said, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.